Ariana from Mobility Plus North Scottsdale, and thank you for purchasing the Victory LX Sport. With your purchase of the Victory LX Sport, you will receive this charger, which has two ends. One end is a three-pronged plug that plugs directly into the scooter, and the other is a three-pronged plug that plugs directly into your wall outlet. Any standard outlet will work. So I'm going to show you how to charge your scooter. First, we're going to plug in this plug right below the steering wheel of your scooter. After this, we'll plug in the wall side into your outlet, and that's how you charge your scooter. Something that's important to note about your scooter is your charging box. So on the top here, we have a red light, and this just basically means that there's power going into the charging box. So we want this to be lit. The bottom light is either going to be red, blinking green, or solid green. If it's red, it means it needs a charge. If it's green, it means it's fully charged and ready to go. And if it's blinking green, that means it's doing a trickle charge. And a trickle charge just means it needs a little bit of topping off as far as energy goes. Lastly, it's important to note that you should not leave your scooter charging for more than overnight. This can expand the battery and cause a lot of problems and damage to the batteries, causing you to have to replace them more regularly. So just make sure that you charge your scooter only overnight, no longer, and unplug it in the morning, and you should be ready to go. We also recommend that you do this just once a week. If you use your scooter more often and it needs a charge, feel free to charge more than once a week. But if you are just letting your scooter sit or you haven't used it in a couple days, remember to charge it at least once a week overnight and no longer. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your scooter.